Okay, the first plant I'm going to be talking about today is porterweed. Porterweed comes in different colors. You've got the purple here, and also you have a red porterweed. This is very easy to grow. It can get quite tall. There are two varieties. The tall variety can get 6 feet in full sun through the growing season. The dwarf will stay much lower. This will get quite bushy. It is a magnet for hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees. Lantana is a very popular pollinator plant. It is a shrub. It comes back year after year, very easy to grow, and it comes in all different varieties, all kinds of names like ham and eggs. This is a vibrant yellow flower that you see here. The lantana attracts all different pollinators, whether they're hummingbirds, butterflies, or bees. You have the lantana that is an upright, and then you have a lantana variety that is a trailing lantana. So if you want something closer to the borders of your gardens that will trail, this is for you. They have it in white and in lavender as well as this bright yellow. This is Cassia. Cassia is a wonderful plant. This one that comes in all different varieties as well. This one particular variety can grow up to 6 feet or more in a growing season. It will produce lots of seed pods and come back year after year, very easy to grow. In the fall, it produces beautiful clusters of yellow flowers. It attracts pollinators, and it's also a host plant for the sulfur butterfly, where the female will lay her eggs and the caterpillars will consume the leaves. It does not kill the plant.